What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In this basic hip hop dance combo episode, we're going to be adding another 8 count to our combination. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box to apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so in this series, we are just putting together our basic movements into combinations similar to choreography. So if you haven't seen episode 1 and 2, be sure to check those out before jumping into this one. Alright, so we're going to start this episode off with the last few movements from our last 8 count, just so we can start piecing things together. So from here, let's go from this 5 jump 6. So we went 5, 6, 7, plant, 8. Now from here, we're going to be utilizing down grooves and also fancier little movements just to make it look a little bit bigger. So in reality, the basics of it is I'm just stepping out with my right, I'm going to down groove with my right, and then instead of doing a down groove with the feet together, I'm going to lift up my left leg, down groove. So you should really feel this groove in your right leg. Other way, I'm going to go left leg, and then same thing, I'm going to not put my foot down, but I want to lift it up, down groove over here. Okay, so again, I'm going down, lift, down, lift. Now, just make it a little bit fancier. The higher your leg goes, the bigger it's going to look, but also I'm going to add a little bit of a toe twist at the same time. So as I'm stepping, it's almost like I want to separate my toes to face the outside of where I'm going, out, and then from here, I'm going to keep it center. Same thing over here, out, and then center. So again, pushing my toes to the outside, and you should really feel this in your heels. So let's try that again. From here, just going out, down, out, down. Very good. So let's put that together with counts. So we just went 5 up, 6, 7, 8. All you're gonna do is whole counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So let's try to add on to this one. Okay, so from here, all I'm gonna do is jump my feet out, almost like I'm doing a spreading my legs. So you want to pretend like there's a line here. I'm jumping from my left leg. I'm jumping out, out, and I'm gonna go tap, tap. So I'm trying to get to this position, but I'm gonna take 2 jumps to get there. So I'm gonna go 1 and then 2. Okay, let's try that again. So we're here, I'm going out, tap, together. Okay, one more time. So we're here, this goes out and together. Okay, so try to add that with the down grooves. So we just went push back, 7, 8. This goes open, down, jump, tap, tap. And again, really trying to keep that bounce, so I am kind of bouncy on my toes. So one more time, 6, 7, 8. I'm going open, up. So again, out and together. So last one, I'm gonna do the same thing and come over to this way, out and together. So you want to think out and together, out and together. And again, keeping our body really loose so we kind of have that bounce and groove going in our body. Okay, so we're here again. I'm going out and together, out and together. Okay, let's put those together. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. This goes out, down, jump and together, jump and together. Good. Okay, let's try to put it together. Count. So in your head, you want to think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And then you're done. You did that whole 8 count. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face it back so you get a different angle. Okay, so let's go from 5, jump 6, just to put some stuff together. So I just went 5, jump 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump and together, jump and together. Yeah, let's try it one more time. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. This goes 5, 6, 7. New 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump and together, 7 and 8. All right, so now let's try to piece it together with our first combination from episode 1 and 2. So let's go very slowly. Again, just really focusing on can we piece certain 8 counts together so we can start learning how to piece our basics together and also start learning combinations and not, I guess, freaking ourselves out. Okay, so from the top. So 6, 7, super slow. This goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. New part. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and good. Let's try that again. Let's try to go a little bit faster. Okay, here we go. So 5, 6, 7. Same thing. This goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and new part. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 and 6, 7, and 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6 from the top. This goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, new 8 count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, also hit that bell notification so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaway from this episode, again, we're really trying to keep that down groove going, and all we really did was to make it a little bit fancier. We started using our toes to make different pictures, and also lifting our legs to make it a little bit bigger. And also, we kind of added these stutter steps. Instead of just going out on our whole counts, we started adding our 1 and 2s, accenting our and counts, okay? So, if that was really confusing, again, you want to go back to just your basics. Take your first A count from episode 1. If that's still tripping you up, just practice doing that, okay? And then you can like pause on that one, come to this episode, get this A count down by itself, and then slowly start piecing them together, right? I'm trying to teach you in this series to slowly start putting together choreography pieces so it's not, I guess, too many like big chunks together, right? You always want to take small chunks, then piece them together so it doesn't seem so overwhelming. Alright, so I would love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video and also tag Darren or Wong. I'll be sure to give you some props, give you some tips, give you some comments, anything like that. Alright, so again, be sure to like this video and also comment down below what you learned from it, what you liked from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.